All right, now that the Accord is officially my car and is my daily driver, the Impala is still sitting in the driveway. I thought I'd do a little closer detailed walk around of this old beater. And I just wish I had a beater Lexus. Because this car, this is the true definition of a beater. But it's still damn good though. Still damn good. All right, first of all, front bumper got a nasty gash, and of course we're losing clear coat, and then here's where it gets really ugly on the front bumper. This was all duct taped to the car. You can see the old adhesive, that white stuff, and all I did was pull all that duct tape off. I mean, it was on the hood, on the headlights, everywhere. And I shot one screw into the metal behind there. The fender is just slightly rolled, whatever they impacted. Not real sure, but it really did do a number on this bumper. Already found when it pull apart. That's what's great about these 6th gen Hans. Shit. The dang pull aparts are full of them now, you know? 20-year-old car, man. 20-year-old Honda, full of them. Paint on the hood, hey, looks pretty good. Not bad. I'm going to shine her and buff her up. She's still got her original Honda pinstriping. The good-looking 01, 02 alloy wheels. We're wearing a set of Coopers all the way around. The 2 on the front are nearly new. The 2 on the back are about 80%. But, you know, she's got a few scratches, you know, nicks and dings. But the roof is toast. As you can see, the roof is just cooked. But I have ordered the actual Fire Pepper Red paint matched in a spray can from paintscratch.com. Need to check them out if you're ever looking for touch-up paint. They sell it by the spray can, gallon, touch-up pen, whatever. And I've used it on the Audi in the garage. Works great. So I'm going to wet sand this down, and then I'll shoot it with that can of spray paint, and that'll go a long way. Back here, everything looks pretty good. Just a few little, you know, slight scuffs, scratches. The trunk is just starting. I don't know if you can see it, but it is just starting to lose its clear. I'll probably just wax it and see if I can get it to come out some. Back bumper, your typical, you know, looks like a golfer's bumper, where they put their golf shoe up there and tie their shoe. Missing a cord badge. Got the V6. I'll probably just scratch that on off. Bumper's knocked a little bit loose back here. There's a little dent right here with a little bit of rust. Looks like they bumped something and knocked the bumper there. Got a pretty good door dinger right there. Not sure if you can see that. And then we got a ding right there. But overall, not bad. The paint is just the ugly part. Now, these seats, carpet's nasty. Got to do the carpet. But door panels, all this is going to clean up. All this leather is still in good shape. I just got to get this trash out. Do a little scrubbing. I started on the interior and got interrupted. Anyway, you know, we got some grime and some dirt, you know, just from heavy 280K usage. Really, though, the only real wear are those spots on the radio buttons and these holes in the carpet. I don't know if they ran without a floor mat for a while or what, but man, I tell you what, my little steam, my little green machine will get this carpet cleaned right up. No problem. Same over here. Now, my cohort that I pick up and take to work, he made that mess just this week with his dirty shoes and spilled some orange juice. But seats, leather, I mean, every part of the leather, ooh, that's close, is just minty fresh. Got my junk in here, sorry about that. But the headliner, stupid clean. Just, I mean, really clean. I always put a cheesy steering wheel cover on. This was the only one they had. Because, you know, steering wheels get so grimy. Even though I do clean them up with Magic Eraser, a nice steering wheel cover always goes a long way with just overall feel. No cracks in the dash. I mean, you know, everything's good as far as, you know, wear and tear on the inside. I mean, I can't believe, who has seen a Honda this age and this many miles that does not have just absolutely shredded seats? And this leather is actually still kind of soft. It's not like all hard and dried up. So anyway, let's start it up. Oh. Keys in it, and it doesn't make the funny Honda doo-doo-doo that you're, you know, so used to hearing. Just fires right up. Tread on the tire, looking good. I mean, these tires are nearly new. Nearly new. Yeah. I need new hood struts. The hood will not hold itself up. But yeah, this whole V6 runs out pretty good. I've got to get in here and take out that bolt, a couple back there. I need to take a look at the timing belt. I have no idea when it's been done. But at 280K, you know it's had to have been done at least one time. I mean, there's no way the original belt can make it this long. But the engine's just, look at that. Just smooth as can be. I got the phone just resting on it. So it's got good motor mounts, which is nice. You know, battery doesn't look too old. I can't really tell if anything else is new under here, but you know, she's in good shape. Transmission fluid checked out good. It does need an oil change. The oil is looking pretty black, but yeah, if I could fix this, get me a good bumper from the pull apart, put that on, and do a good buff and wax, and get my can of spray paint for the roof, which it's in the mail. But you know, wet sand this down, clay bar it, wet sand it, you know, go through the steps and just shoot it with a little spray paint and clean my carpets. This thing, man, this thing would be jam up. I'm not going to worry about these warning lights because, I mean, at $1,500, you'll spend, you know, thousands chasing that crap down. I would like to maybe figure out why I get some hesitation during acceleration, and then when the traction control light comes on, it smooths out. If anybody has any idea, any clue what that might be, drop a comment below, because seriously, as soon as the TCS and check engine light come on, the car runs brilliantly smooth. But until they come on, it bucks like a horse. Just bucks back and forth. Hesitates, bucks. I mean, it's very abrupt and no fun. But anyway, there's your little close-up of the 01 Accord, the Beater Accord, my daily driver for the time being. The Impala, I've got a couple of people coming to look at it, interested in it for about $1,500. Because it still runs and drives great. It just leaks all the fluid out. Transmission fluid quickly, very quickly. Got the Volvo listed on Marketplace as a parts car. I've had a few people interested in that. If I get $400 or $500 for it, that'd be great. Get it out of here and let's just move on. I'd like to kind of fix this little car up a little bit. So anyway, if y'all are interested in seeing that, y'all drop a comment below, like, subscribe, and you guys have a great weekend. Go Dogs, they're kicking butt.